what we sell isn't the sum of the parts that go into our printers. Okay, it is the 7 years and $10 million that we have spent to develop this technology to the point where we lead the entire world, and we can do what nobody else can even come close to. Not a little bit, but not even come close to. So I realize you don't know that now. I'm just telling you, you got to go figure that out. You got to figure out, is James just full of crap? Or is there, you know, is he legitimate in the things that he is sharing with you? So when you buy a printer from us, and incidentally, I guess one of the very first things you look at when you're trying to buy a printer is what the price is. We have the best price of anybody in the world. I had somebody the other day said, no, Wasp has a better price than you, or whatever else. I'm like, Wasp prints with mud that comes out of the dirt. I mean, literal mud. And that's great if you want to print in Africa or India or someplace else like that. That ain't going to work in most of the places that my buyers are buying from. So, you know, Wasp has a Delta printer, okay? You can Google it, look up what a Delta printer is. It's not a gantry printer. It's not all the other printers I just mentioned, but I'm just trying to give you a little bit of a history lesson on there are multiple types of printers. What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? If I want to print circles and print a 10 by 10 room, I guess that's great. Buy that. But you can still buy the equivalent printer from us at a better price. So we have the best price of anyone around the world. If you find out otherwise, holy hell, call me, tell me, show me what's going on or how I've got something wrong. I'll give you a discount on your printer. Okay? The information is valuable to me. I want to know, and they don't call and report every single day, my competition. So unless I hear from buyers that say, hey James, you got this wrong, I have no idea. So you'll be my best friend. You call me and give me information, tell me what I'm getting wrong so I can fix it before somebody gets pissy and files a cease and desist letter with us or whatever else, which they didn't need to do because I send them a letter every year and say, hey, I'm the CEO. Here's my cell number. Anything we're saying wrong, give me a call. But I'm not going to believe you. You're going to have to at least show me a time lapse. No, we can put our printer together in one day. Really? That's amazing. We put ours together in less than an hour. So 39 minutes, that's what you'll see on a 3535.